The Lamborghini URUS, not just an SUV. This is a supercar in disguise. Every detail is designed for dominance, from the Y-shaped headlights to the quad exhausts that growl with V8 fury. Bold, aggressive, unmistakably Lamborghini, the URUS brings the raging bull to the road, with a stance that screams performance. Under the hood, a 4.0L twin-turbo V8, pushing out 657 horsepower, 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds. Yeah, this SUV can outrun sports cars. Inside, it's all luxury meets fighter jet, premium leather, cutting-edge tech, and the iconic start button under a red flip cover. From matte black beasts to neon showstoppers, no two URUS builds are alike. It's as customizable as it is powerful. Since its launch in 2018, the URUS has become Lamborghini's best-selling model, redefining what a performance SUV can be. The URUS isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. Style, speed, and pure Lamborghini DNA. If this beast belongs in your dream garage, hit like and let us know how you'd spec yours.